It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah.
What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another home vlog. It's been a minute since I posted a home update vlog, so I'm excited to share some new purchases, and we'll probably do a little bit of organization in this video too. So I think that is pretty much what's going to be happening. So let's go ahead and get into it. I went into Crate & Barrel and got some bowls. So here they are. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. So this is what they look like. How cute are these? They're so modern. I love them. So I just ordered 4 of these. They were only $5, which makes them $20 for all 4, which I thought was a pretty good deal because their stuff is pretty good quality. So I don't really mind paying a couple extra dollars, or really it's not even a couple extra dollars, because if you go to Walmart, their bowls are around the same price. They might be like, no, they're around the same price. So yeah, and I just really like the shape of these. So yeah, I need to peel the stickers off and make sure these go into the dishwasher this evening. So that's really all I got from Crate & Barrel on that day. Actually, that's all I got from Crate & Barrel recently. But I also bought this yesterday. Let me show y'all. It's like a organizer. So what I was thinking is I could, let me get my hand out of the way so it's not showing my hand. It's not focusing on my hand. It'll focus on this. But I bought this yesterday to organize all my nail supplies, and I think this would be a really good addition to make that happen, because you can put so many things in here, and it's really deep. So like, yeah. So you get 12 shelves. You get little what are these called? Labels to say what, so you can label each drawer and you know what's in each drawer. And yeah, this was $35, so I definitely thought this was worth it, because I feel like at Container Store this would be like twice that. But yeah, so I'm about to start trying to organize all this stuff, and then yeah. So I think what I need to do to get this back, this label back right here, is slide this down in here. Yep. So yeah, slide that in, and then you just slide this in between. Oh, I was supposed to put that in first. Okay. So first you put this in here, then you slide the whole thing down. Okay. So let me show y'all what the drawers look like. Wow, these are really big. Like in comparison to my hand can fit in it. Now we just need to put everything in it.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. God's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth, I own, I speak it.
Okay, so I got all of this nail supplies into the organizer. Here's what it looks like. I didn't actually write labels or anything, but this is where all of my normal nail polishes are. This is where all of the gel liners are. So these are just for nail art. Although I do sometimes use those to paint my whole nail if I'm doing just like one nail, a whole color, one of those colors. Here's all my nail brushes, all of my pedicure supplies, so files, pumice stones, all these like things to dig under your nails, push your cuticles back, all that kind of stuff. And then in this one, I have the things I use to soak off my nails. And these are all drill supplies. So these are like the extra drill bits and all that kind of stuff. This is just a brush to brush off the dust. And then my actual drill and the charger or the power cord for it.
And these are very large.
Huh?
Those are very large drawers.
I know. And then these are my dip nail supplies. The rest of my like dip powders and stuff are in my closet upstairs. I need to get those and put them in here. But as you can see, they'll fit. And then these are just nail tips. I have more nail tips upstairs that I could also put in here, but I think I'm not going to because they're already in a container the container they came in. And yeah, so out of 12 drawers, I only used
6.
Like 6 total, but I used like half of this one and a corner of this one. Oh, and I showed y'all that they also came with dividers. So if you wanted to, you know, divide things up like I did here, you can. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in my closet. That is where it will live. And now me, Corey, I think Cody too wants a sandwich. So we're gonna make bacon, egg, and cheese sandwiches. And Corey is going to make the bacon.
Hello guys, I am 5.
Okay.
The bacon.
So we're just gonna put the bacon in the air fryer basket and put it in the air fryer on 350. You can go ahead and put it in.
Yeah.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Alright, y'all. So I realized that I have a couple more things I haven't shown y'all yet. Let me prop you up. So I bought 2 sets of these towel and washcloth sets from Target. The brand is Threshold. I'll link it below so y'all can go directly to it if you're interested. It comes in a few different colors. It came in white, like a green and white, this black and white. I got 2 of these. These were only like $25. I'm about to throw these in the washing machine. God dang it. I just pulled one of the threads out. I need to go ahead and cut it. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all these because this was a really good deal for 4 washcloths, 2 hand towels, and 2 bath towels. 2 washcloths, 2 hand towels, and 2 bath. I thought it was 4. I didn't realize it had I think I didn't realize it had hand towels. But anyway, that's still a good deal. So yeah, 2 of each. 2 hand towels, 2 washcloths, 2 bath towels. For $25-ish. So yeah, I'm gonna go throw these in the washing machine so I can get them all washed so we can start using them. And then I also forgot that I bought some new plates the other day at TJ Maxx. They're not, I didn't get anything like super original or, you know, spectacular. It's really just basic white, small like salad plates. These were on clearance for $4.50. So I was like, don't mind if I do. But yeah, I'm just about to open these and make sure they go into the dishwasher tonight. But yeah, they're really basic, just little salad plates that we can use. But for $1 plate, it's a pretty good deal. They are kind of light. Nothing fancy, nothing, you know, super high quality. This was definitely an impulse purchase, just something I saw and I was like, hey, we could use that. So the price was right, so I grabbed them. I want to show y'all some of the stuff I got from Costco yesterday because we went last night and I got some interesting stuff. So, first thing that I got was this beef japchae. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. Japchae. It's a Korean dish. But basically it's just a heat and eat skillet meal. You can just go ahead and cook it on the stove. I wanted to try this. I think I might add some some shrimp to it or something, but I'm excited about this. From Costco is this chicken tikka masala. My boys love this. Always get naan bread and they eat it like that or with rice. What else do we get? Yeah, the vegetables at Costco are so cheap. I think this, how many pounds is this? 5-pound bag of green beans. I think this was like $8. And they had a 5-pound bag of cauliflower rice for $5. So yeah, the frozen vegetables are really a really good deal, especially since these are organic. Like, yeah. Also got this cheese tortellini, which I might make for dinner tonight. I'm trying to decide what they're gonna have, because I think my husband and I are going out for dinner, like a little date night. So they might be doing this. They might have this for dinner. We'll see. Oh. And I wanted to say to the girl that I met at Costco who came up and introduced herself to me, Pink Pearls or Pink something. I'm sorry, I don't remember your name. Please comment. Thank you so much for coming up to me. Thank you so much for introducing yourself and, you know, not being afraid to come up to me because I am so regular and normal. But I enjoyed talking with you and I enjoyed meeting you. So if y'all see me in public, please come up and say hi. That is all. This is from Trader Joe's, but I wanted to kind of show y'all this because this is really good. And I actually got 2 different flavors. I don't see the other one right now, but this is the spicy Mexican cauliflower rice. Bomb. This is bomb. I got another one. I think it's Asian inspired, but I don't see it. I don't know where it ended up. I don't feel like pulling everything around, moving everything around, trying to find it. So I'll show y'all that whenever I cook it. Another thing that I tried this last time from Trader Joe's, last week I bought these, was these chicken sausages. And they're actually pretty good. I almost bought turkey bacon last night, but then I remembered I had these because I walked past these in Costco yesterday. And I was like, oh, I don't need turkey bacon because I have this. So I need to finish these. These are good though. And only 90 calories for 3 links and 10 grams of protein. So that's pretty good. The turkey bacon actually has more protein because it also has more calories. I think it's 6. No. I think one slice of turkey bacon has 6 grams of protein and maybe like 45 calories. So turkey bacon has more protein. And then I'm sure you guys have seen these before, but this is definitely like one of those things that is bomb at Costco. And obviously Costco is not the only place you can get it, but it's worth it to get it at Costco because it's just a much better deal. But yeah, these are bomb. If you like Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets, get these. These are bomb. I just air fry them on 350 for like 10 minutes and that's it. What else? I feel like some of the other staples that I get from Costco are like bacon, because their bacon is a really good price. Oh, one more thing I got yesterday. I haven't tried it yet, but I tried their, well, I bought it yesterday, their orange chicken. I didn't leave it in the box because, ignore my nails, y'all. They look terrible. I have to redo them, but essentially you get 2 bags of chicken like this, 2 packs of the sauce, which are right here. And then, you just cook it the same way you do with the Trader Joe's orange chicken. I throw mine in the air fryer and then put it on the stove with the sauce. Let it, let the sauce get thick on the chicken, and that is all. I think that's all like the interesting stuff I got from Costco. Another thing that I got from Trader Joe's recently was the apriums, which is like a mix of apricots and plums. But if you live near a Walmart, they have plum cots, which is the same thing, and those are so good. Also got what is it called, cherry plums. So I have some over there in the fruit bowl. I'll show y'all in a second. But those are also really, really good. I feel like I showed y'all everything that was interesting. But I'm gonna run outside, try to get this slip and slide pool thing set up, and yeah, we'll see how that goes.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with another day. All I wanna hear is in the
Cornel. What is kid cornel say to the mama cornel?
Wait, what?
What did the kid corn say to the mama corn?
The kid colonel say to the mama colonel?
He said, "Kernel up."
Colonel up?
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense.
I mean like pop up. Like they you see when they rise. That means that's what I meant. You're not telling me. This is filling up very slowly.
Step on it. See what happens if you step on it.
Can we play now?
Is it ready to play it?
It's so cold.
I know. It's cold water.
Go, Corey, go! Go!
I don't know how to
Go into your stomach.
Now this is burn. Somebody just do it.
Nope, it's too cold.
I enjoy not having hypothermia. Thank you very much.
Ready? 3, 2, 1! Ready? 3, 2, 1!
Cody, now it's your turn.
Okay. Okay, step on it, step on it.
I'm slipping.
Keep, like, push, push, push.
Go.
You gotta step on it all your weight. Put both feet on it, boy.
Put both feet on it. We're gonna put both feet on it. Both feet.